Done. Done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adeline Opera over here. I'm going to be resuming for my second year master's program in Covenant University. Today is Thursday, 22nd of September. School already resumed on the 19th of September, okay? And I just wanted to spend an extra week at home. I wanted to spend 2 weeks more at home, but because of my project and everything, I decided to just go to school 1 week, and also because I need to pick a good room. I think I'm already late, but today I'm going to shop for stuff for school. Yeah, just basic stuff like grocery. So I'm going to the market, not groceries, sorry, like provision, some clothes, toiletries, cosmetics and everything. Hey guys, good morning. All right, today is Friday and I plan on going to make my hair. I want to wash my hair first myself, so I went to my one. I would have filmed it, but that my one side is really crazy and I'm not about to lose my phone. The level of stealing over there is seriously crazy. So I was only able to film where I went to shop. I'm sure by now you have seen it. And even in that shopping mall, I was not able to get everything I wanted. So I think I went to another shopping mall, and I think I'll still go to another one because I didn't get my roll-on. Is this candle roll-on? Wait, let me show you. Yeah, so this is what I usually use. I think it's called stick roll-on. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So this is what I use, and I went to Prince Mega yesterday and I couldn't find this. So, and I can't buy any other thing because you know that spray one, I think that one was giving me irritation. I can't buy another one. So this is what I'm using for now and maybe till forever because I'm scared. I'm done with my hair, okay? I'm done with my hair and I love it. I got this hair from Lush Hair and this is color 27, okay? This color 27, and I must say I don't think I want to be doing black anymore. Yeah, can't wait for people to see me in this. Alright, so back to business. So let me show you what I got from the market as at yesterday that I wasn't able to show you guys. We can see it. Deep conditioner, this hair wax for my edges, okay, anti-dandruff treatment. This, the smell, oh my god, it's amazing, is the shampoo, okay. Tomorrow I plan on going to get the growth oil from Market Square. I don't know how that's going to be because it's very hard to find the growth oil. Yeah, doing this perfume choco musk. Yeah, she recommended. Yeah, but this canvas, I plan on working on my weight again. Hey guys, they still did not give me white curtain. Our new room. Oh, guys, I think I'm almost done. I'm tired. Like, it's really late. Like, this is 9 o'clock. Just say I just settled down finally. Like, settled down a bit. As you can see, I'm not yet in my bed. Okay? I don't even know what to do anymore. I have a lot to pack. I'm thinking I'm going to just do this tomorrow morning. So I think I'll just lay in my bed and I'll arrange things tomorrow morning. Yeah, like my wardrobe and everything. Like I'll just put everything inside my wardrobe because I'm tired. I can't believe I came to this school like 11 and I've just been ambulating about trying to get my clearance. I went to college building, not college building, I went to Cookread. That's where the School of Postgraduate Studies at. Then I went to the medical center. Then after the medical center, I came to the hostel. And then I got registered. And then what's next? Yeah, I had to wait till like 7:30, past 7:30. In short, 8 o'clock or past 8 o'clock to get my stuff from the common room. Let me show you. Yeah, guys, so this is what my ungongo is looking like, and I brought more ungongo. Where am I going to start from? So the room is cleaned. Currently I do not have a roommate yet. Yeah, so this is what we have right now. So yeah, I'm going to dress my bed. We'll see what we'll do next. Okay, at least I'm happy that the room is already cleaned. I think I'll have it. No, I think I need a bath, like a serious bath. Yeah, I hope the heater is working though, because I don't think my kettle is clean. It's working. So I don't know if I should turn this on. I need to still disinfect my bucket because it's been in the common room for like 2 months now. So I need to disinfect it, my bila. Done. Time to bath. All these things will just be like this because I'm tired. Now time to bath and I think I'll go to bed. Yeah.
Shake it, shake it, hey, come on, let's shake it, hey, come on, let's make it, hey, break it, oh, come on, let's break it, hey, shake it, shake.
So this is what we have now. I forgot to tell you, I finally got the growth oil. Look at it. Yeah, if you just want to see what a typical day looks like for a Covenan University student, you can watch this video showing right now on the is going. And maybe you're also interested in coming to Covenant University. I made this video where I talked about everything you need to know about Covenant University, and I'll still be making more videos about Covenant University's postgraduate studies. So if you're interested, then subscribe to this channel, okay? And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye love. Bye.